Can I add one comment?
Yes.
Yeah. I think we should all delete Facebook and Instagram and start appreciating again the meaning of privacy. Because if we were more concerned about keeping our own stuff private, perhaps we wouldn't be in this situation today.
Well, I think if you were able to not abuse the rights of people, then we would be in a better place.
But some people want to be abused.
Yeah?
He's ready to demonstrate deleting his Facebook account. I did.
You did. Deleted the Facebook account.
I don't need it. I want to talk to somebody, I call him. My mother calls me every day.
That's good. Okay. Any responses? I think in the interest of time. Anyone more? Yeah. Very quickly, please.
From Indonesia, maybe there's we can see it as the two separated side of fintech. First is to accelerating the fintech, and the second is to do a control protection. For accelerating, that's a department which is will give licensing and supervising. The contributor of inspection, I specific to the consumer protection for the consumer, because the most important thing in the Indonesia is there are so many illegal financial fintech company in Indonesia. That's why we always have give an education and give a publication of the blacklist company which is not listed and not have our license. That is, we have a good coordination with the Ministry of Information and Ministry of and police also, so that if there is action from the illegal fintech company, we can take an action.
That's good thing.
And the second thing is we must have a one-stop channel for the customer to contact us, so that they can know whether this company is really listed or it is not a licensed company. That's why we have a call center always ready to answer and communicate with the customer. And of course, and the second thing is we implementing the sandbox regulatory to see whether the fintech company can comply enough to our regulation.
Okay, and the focus on which areas?
Sorry?
Which areas they focus on the fintech regulation?
Focusing on the implementing the data protection, and focusing on the implementing the credit scoring also, because there are so many credit scoring model in the fintech company.
Right, great. And transparency?
Pardon?
And transparency?
Of course, transparency.
Of course. Okay.
That's the first thing. That's why we need regulator.
Okay, last few points from the group here. Just a couple of takeaways. I know we've overshot the time.
So basically these are our the result of our brainstorming discussion a while ago. So we listed down the top concerns that we are seeing as far as fintech, the fintech group and the FSP's group is concerned. And these are as follows. Number one is similar to the regulators. We have data privacy. So that's one of our main concerns right now, considering that is an issue that affects our customers greatly. And in case we breach, there is a breach of data, especially personal data, that's a major issue as far as fintech and FSPs are concerned. And second is the customer complaint system. So we want to have a good and reliable customer complaint process and procedure, so that our customers who have issues would know who to call to, like a hotline or an email address, right, to send their complaint about to. So the third one is a hard collection process. So this is something that it's our concern. One of the principles is how to be able to collect the money using the fourth one, which is innovate on product design. So we have an example in China, but I don't want to mention. They did an innovative, they did an alternative collateral. So using digital assets,
So
they are
maybe
able
the
to
person
store.
from China can say that very quickly.
I think he left.
He left. Okay. He walked away.
Yeah,
Okay.
so there is a China, they collect digital assets from customers, and in case they don't pay, they're going to post those assets on social media. So I think that's legal in China according to the resource
Yeah,
person.
I know a lot of things are legal there.
Yeah. So that's looking into
Okay, 2
alternative
minutes.
collateral.
2 minutes more. Sorry.
It's more developing financial capability. So this is on the customer side. If we are able to develop the financial knowledge and capability of the customers, then they would be able to pay their loans quickly,
Okay.
right? And that's one of our concerns also. Another concern is data reporting for auditing purposes. So fintech companies should have are being used right now in order to record all the historical transactions so that we could audit them easily. That's a concern. And accessibility to one of the core problems that some of us are facing is to how do we able to give the loans to those who really need them. So and that's one of the things. And in line with this is how are we going to deal with non-payments of loans, because those people who really need the loans do not really have the capability of paying them back. Some of them, not all, of course. So that's something that we need to think about. And
Transparency and fairness.
then we have the principle of transparency, our rules and regulation and the loan process and all the documents should be transparent to the customer. And we should, of course, treat our customers fairly, avoiding those harassment and things like that in case they don't pay the loan on
Right.
time.
No, I'm glad to see that you're giving a lot of importance to all the principles, and so wonderful, and big hand for you.
Okay, thank you.
For the regulators and their part, I think they seem to be at this moment more focused on privacy of client data and maybe to some extent on transparency. Yeah, and anything else? But not on the fair treatment, and I think that's and complaint resolution. I think those are the 3 ones that are coming up. But thank you so much for really participating in this session and being present and being responsible. And I'm really glad that a lot of regulators opted for this session. And thank you so much for your